Hi, Patron Booper. So I'm going to be going back and forth on my screen just so that I can remember all these steps. So you live in Petaluma, California, which is held within Sonoma County. So you're going to visit Sonoma County by going to sonomacounty.ca.gov. This will lead you to the county webpage. From here, you're going to select residents. And then you're going to scroll to departments and agencies. From here, you are going to scroll down to C, Clerk Recorder's Office. And then from the Clerk Recorder's Office, you will go to Register of Voters. So let me make sure I'm there. Oh, sorry. So you actually have to click back on a page. So I did put the link there for you in case this is confusing, but it's basically this link here. From here, you're going to scroll down to where it says Register of Voters. Click on that. That'll take you to the Registrar of Voters office page, and then you just scroll down and click on Register to Vote. This will take you to the state voter registration website. I am including this direct link as well. It is registertovote.ca.gov, just in case the rest is a little confusing for you. If you have any other questions, please let me know.